To get started with your new lock, head to the App Store and download the free BURGsmart app. This is available on both iOS and Android. While setting up the app, it is important to read the terms and conditions and allow Bluetooth devices to be found. Create your account by typing in your name, email, and reading the privacy policy. Now that your account is all set up, get familiar with the app by taking a look around. To start setting up your new smart lock, head over to the SecuENTRY devices section of the app and tap on the plus icon in the top right-hand corner. For the next step, you will need to find the QR code that came with your lock. Please note, the cylinder's QR code will always have a 6-digit admin code at the bottom. Once you have this ready, press Continue and scan the QR code before selecting Add. Set a name for your lock, for example, front door. You will now need to change your administration code. This should be memorable but unique, as you will need it to continue setting up your lock and to make any changes in the future. You will be able to find the old code at the bottom of your QR code. To program your lock, head back to the My System page and select your locking plan. You will need to make sure that you tick your name by tapping on the grey square before pressing the red program button and entering your admin code. Now that your lock is programmed, we recommend adding a shortcut in the app for quick access. To do this, go to the dashboard, select Add Shortcut, and choose your lock. Once added, your lock will appear on the dashboard. Simply tap it to activate and unlock your door. If you want to add a new user that can unlock the door via their phone, you will need to head back to the Users area and select the plus icon. The new user will have to have downloaded and set up their app first. Each user has a QR code that can be found by going to More and selecting Share App Key with SecuENTRY Administrator. To continue adding the new user, scroll straight down to Codes/Identification Media and select Smartphone as key. There is no need to add their name and details. This will be auto-filled. Scan the QR code on the second user's phone before saving your changes. Navigate to your locking plan and make sure the new user has a green tick next to their name. You will now need to reprogram the lock. If you have purchased the optional keypad separately, it is now time to set this up. If you are not using a keypad or bought it as a set, you can skip this step. Start by navigating to More and selecting SecuENTRY Admin. Next, select the Quick Keypad Allocation option. You will need to scan your cylinder's QR code and press Add. Your keypad will have come with its own QR code. You will need to scan this and press Add, just like you did for the cylinder. Before selecting Continue, turn the keypad on and enter the 4-digit code on the bottom line of the QR code. In most cases, this will be 0000. Then hold the close button until the red lights flash all around. Select Continue and wait for your keypad to finish setting up. The SecuENTRY Home cylinder allows for a single user code, which is the same as your admin code. To activate your lock, enter your admin code on the keypad. You will then be able to lock your door. If you purchase the keypad and cylinder as a set and do not wish to activate your cylinder with your phone, you can install the lock and keypad as usual and use the unique factory set admin code without setting up the app at all. To set up a user that uses the optional key fob to gain access, go to My System, navigate to the user page and tap the plus icon in the top right corner. Enter the user's name before going to the code/identification media drop-down and selecting SE key. You will now need to scan the QR code that came with the key fob before saving your changes. To finish setting this user up, head to the locking plan. Tick the grey box next to the user's name by pressing on it and save your changes. You will now need to reprogram the lock by pressing on the red program button and entering your admin code. Your lock is now all set up and ready to use.